Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best left tail light is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components of your vehicle's safety system, ensuring that drivers behind you are aware of your presence, intentions, and braking actions, especially during adverse weather conditions or at night, making its proper functioning absolutely paramount for preventing accidents and maintaining road safety for everyone. Number 5. GMC Acadia 2013 to 2017 LED tail light. Enhance your GMC Acadia's visibility and style with our premium LED tail light assembly. Designed for models from 2013 to 2017, including the Acadia Limited. Experience superior brightness and a long-lasting performance. This assembly is crafted from durable ABS plastic, ensuring it's waterproof and dustproof for extended use. This is a direct replacement for your original left driver side tail light, part number 84051375 PFM. It's designed for a seamless installation, offering a plug-and-play experience. Please be aware that the bulb is not included with this taillight assembly. You will need to use your existing bulb or purchase one separately. Installation is straightforward and requires no modifications. Simply plug it in and enjoy the upgraded look and functionality of your new tail light. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please contact us, and we'll provide timely solutions. What we like. This option features bright LED lighting for enhanced visibility. It's also built to be waterproof and dustproof, ensuring durability in various conditions. If you're looking for a direct replacement that offers modern lighting technology and easy installation, this is a great choice. What people say. The tail light has a sleek design that enhances the car's appearance. Installation was straightforward and the fit was perfect. The brightness of the tail light is excellent, providing good visibility. Number 4. Chevrolet Traverse 2013 to 2017 tail light. Ensure your Chevrolet Traverse from 2013 to 2017 is equipped with the correct tail light. This is the left driver side assembly, designed for non-LED models. Crafted from durable plastic, it's built to withstand the elements. This rear light is both waterproof and dustproof, promising a long service life. Experience high brightness for enhanced visibility and safety. It comes complete with bulbs, ready for installation. This part directly replaces OEM numbers 842666019, 233011756, and GM2804112. It's designed for a seamless fit on the left driver side. While installation is straightforward, professional assistance is recommended for the best results. Please verify your vehicle model and year before purchasing. We value your purchase. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with timely solutions and support. What we like. This tail light assembly comes complete with bulbs, saving you an extra purchase. Its durable construction is waterproof and dustproof, promising a long service life. If you prefer a complete package and a straightforward replacement that includes everything you need, this is the one to consider. What people say. The light is a perfect fit for my 2015 F-150. Easy to install, took me about 15 minutes. Looks great and functions as expected. Number 3. Lochnchn LED tail light for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. Introducing the new upgraded LED tail lights designed for your Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, and 3500. These lights offer a significant enhancement to your vehicle's rear lighting system. Specifically engineered for 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2014 to 2018 Ram 2500 3500 models. Ensure a perfect fit for a seamless upgrade. This is a direct replacement for your left driver side tail light, with part number CH2801202, 680930079AB, and 680930079AC. Installation is plug-and-play, making it incredibly easy to install. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, these lights are waterproof and dustproof, ensuring a long service life. Experience high brightness for improved visibility and safety. The advanced LED technology provides superior illumination compared to standard bulbs. This enhances your visibility on the road, especially in low-light conditions. We are committed to providing optimal solutions and support. If you encounter any issues, we are here to help resolve them promptly. What we like. This is a newly upgraded LED tail light assembly designed for high brightness. The plug-and-play installation makes it incredibly easy to fit. If you're aiming for a significant lighting upgrade with a simple installation process, this model is ideal for enhancing your vehicle's rear visibility and appearance. What people say. The light is a direct fit and easy to install. The brightness of the tail light is excellent, providing great visibility. The design of the tail light is sleek and modern, enhancing the vehicle's appearance. Number 2. Jeep Compass 2014 to 2017 left LED tail light. Enhance the look and safety of your Jeep Compass from 2014 to 2017. This rear tail light assembly is designed for a perfect fit on the left driver's side. Easily replace your old or damaged tail light. It's a direct fit for original parts, ensuring a seamless installation process. Bulbs are included for your convenience. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic, this tail light is built to last. It's waterproof and dustproof, offering a long service life with high brightness for better visibility. Installation is a breeze with our plug-and-play design. While professional installation is recommended, you'll find it straightforward to set up. Thank you for choosing our product. We are committed to providing optimal solutions and support should you encounter any issues. Before ordering, please double-check your vehicle model and year to ensure this part is the correct fit for your Jeep Compass. What we like. This tail light comes with the bulb included and offers high brightness for optimal illumination. Its plug-and-play design ensures a hassle-free installation. If you need a reliable, bright tail light that's easy to install and ready to go right out of the box, this is a solid option. What people say. The tail light is a direct fit and easy to install. It looks great on the car and functions perfectly. The brightness of the tail light is excellent, improving visibility. Number 1. TYC Tail Light Assembly for Toyota Tundra 2014 to 2021. Ensure your Toyota Tundra from 2014 to 2021 is equipped with a high-quality replacement tail light. This assembly is designed for a precise fit, making installation straightforward. It features an OE-comparable harness and mounting provisions, guaranteeing a drop-in, precise fitment. This means it seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's existing setup. Our product undergoes rigorous and accelerated cycling tests. This ensures its service quality and long-term durability, so you can rely on it. The lens surface is treated with a special coating. This prevents hazing and fading, maintaining proper illumination and ensuring your operational safety. Designed specifically for your vehicle, this tail light assembly offers a perfect match. Enjoy peace of mind with a part built for optimal performance and safety. What we like. This assembly is designed for precise fitment, ensuring it integrates seamlessly with your vehicle. It has undergone rigorous testing for durability and features a special coating to prevent hazing and fading. If you prioritize a perfect fit and long-lasting performance with clear illumination, this is the choice for you. What people say. The tail light is a direct fit and easy to install. It looks great on the car and functions perfectly. The brightness of the tail light is excellent, improving visibility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.